Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super common frustration for Instagram users. That annoying multiple photo cropping issue in 2025. If you've ever posted a carousel and noticed your photos getting sliced off at the edges, you're not alone. But don't worry, I've got you covered with easy, step-by-step fixes that will have your posts looking perfect in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. In 2025, Instagram has rolled out some new features to handle cropping better, but they only work on the latest versions. Head to your App Store, search for Instagram, and hit that update button. This alone can fix a lot of issues caused by outdated software. Next, pay attention to your photo's aspect ratio before uploading. Instagram prefers square or landscape formats for carousels, so if your photos are too tall or wide, they'll get cropped. Use a photo editing app like Adobe Lightroom or even the built-in tools on your phone to resize them. Aim for a 1:1 ratio for squares or 4:5 for portraits to avoid surprises. Now, once you're in Instagram, use the editing tools within the app. When you select multiple photos for a post, tap on each one and look for the Adjust option. You can crop and resize right there to fit the frame perfectly. Pro tip: hold down on the photo to see a preview and make sure nothing important is cut off. If that doesn't work, check your phone's settings. Sometimes, display settings or photo export options can interfere. Go to your device settings, find the camera or photos section, and ensure that images are being saved in a compatible format, like JPEG. Also, if you're on Android or iOS, look for any accessibility features that might be altering image display. One more thing. If you're dealing with stubborn cropping, try third-party tools. Apps like Canva or CapCut let you design your carousel posts with precise dimensions, so you can export them ready to go for Instagram. This is a game changer for frequent posters. There you have it. Simple steps to fix Instagram's multiple photo cropping in 2025. Give these a try on your next post, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.